Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into one of the most exciting and pivotal moments in anyone's financial journey, when your net worth hits that $100,000 milestone. It's a game changer, but not for the reasons you might think. So let's talk about why net worth goes absolutely crazy once you cross that $100,000 threshold and how you can make it work to your advantage. 1. The initial struggle and the power of $100,000. First off, let's talk about the journey before you hit $100,000. It's a grind, right? You're putting in the work, saving where you can, hustling through side gigs, and watching your bank account grow. But it feels like you're stuck, doesn't it? You hit certain milestones, like $20,000 or $50,000. But that leap to $100,000, it seems huge, like something just out of reach. But here's the thing, hitting $100,000 is different. It's a mental and financial tipping point. When you break that barrier, your perspective changes. You go from how do I get to $100,000 to now, how do I keep growing it? And this shift is what triggers the massive growth. 2. The compounding effect. Now, let's talk about something key, compounding. You've probably heard about it before, but once you hit that $100,000 mark, it becomes so much more powerful. Here's how. Interest on interest. If you have $100,000 in a savings account or investments, you're no longer just earning interest on the $100,000, but on the interest itself. That means your money starts working harder for you. Investments grow faster, whether it's in stocks, real estate, or other investment vehicles. Your returns grow exponentially. The higher your net worth, the more opportunities you have to make your money grow faster. It's like a snowball effect. The bigger it gets, the faster it rolls. 3. Risk tolerance increases. When your net worth hits $100,000, something else shifts to your ability to take risks. Earlier, you might have been cautious, unsure if investing more or taking on debt was the right choice. But with that extra cushion, you can afford to take calculated risks. This could mean starting a new business, investing in stocks or crypto with a long-term view, exploring higher yield, higher risk investment options. The key is you've got more room for error. So you're likely to push the envelope a bit more, and that's where big rewards can come. 4. The power of networking and opportunities. Another hidden gem that happens once you break the $100,000 mark is that new opportunities open up. You'll find that your circle starts to change. Networking. You now have the resources to surround yourself with people who have similar ambitions. Wealthy individuals tend to move in certain circles, and as your net worth increases, so does your access to these communities. Investment opportunities. A larger net worth makes you eligible for higher tier investments that were off limits before. From exclusive startup opportunities to real estate deals, you now have the means to participate in the kinds of. 5. Psychological shifts and financial freedom beyond the financial stuff. Hitting $100,000 brings a significant mental shift too. You stop seeing yourself as just someone trying to get by and start seeing yourself as a serious player. This change in mindset is powerful. It influences how you handle money, how you negotiate, and how you plan for the future. This newfound confidence can help you set bigger goals, feel more comfortable with financial decision-making, achieve a sense of financial freedom, knowing you have a solid base to build from. Imagine waking up one day and realizing you've made $10 million. How would that feel? How do you even get there? Well, that's exactly what I'm going to share with you today. The exact steps I took to make my first $10 million. No fancy degrees, no secret formula, just real strategies that anyone can apply. So stick around, because this might just change your life. 1. Start with a vision. Cut to visuals of brainstorming or writing in a notebook. First things first, you need to have a vision. I didn't wake up one morning and just decide to make $10 million. It wasn't a random thought. I took the time to figure out what I wanted my life to look like and how much money I needed to get there. Having a clear vision is key. What are your goals? What do you really want? Without a vision, you're just running in circles. So write it down, plan it out, and visualize your end goal. Now, here's where it gets real. No one gets to $10 million by relying on just one income source. I started with one business idea, but soon realized that diversifying my income streams was the key. I began investing, building side hustles, and exploring new opportunities. It wasn't always easy, but it paid off. Having multiple streams of income meant that if one thing didn't work out, I had others to fall back on. Here's a big one: failure. I failed more times than I can count, but each failure taught me something valuable. If you're scared of failing, you'll never take the risks needed to succeed. The key is to learn from your mistakes and keep moving forward. Failure isn't the end, it's part of the process. Trust me, every successful entrepreneur has faced setbacks. What matters is how you bounce back, you learn, you grow, and you get closer to your goal every time. No one makes $10 million on their own. It's all about the people you surround yourself with. I made it a priority to network with the right people who were smarter than me, who knew more than me, who could challenge me and teach me. When you surround yourself with people who have been where you want to go, it opens up doors and opportunities you never imagined. You don't have to know everything yourself. You just need to know the right people. Now, this one is simple but critical: consistency. Making $10 million wasn't something that happened overnight. It took years of hard work, learning, and refining my strategies. But here's the secret: the people who succeed are the ones who stick with it. It's not about being the smartest or the most talented. It's about showing up every single day, even when it gets tough. So keep pushing. Even if you don't see immediate results, stay consistent, because the results will come. And there you have it. Guys, the 5 steps that helped me make my first $10 million. It wasn't magic or luck, it was a combination of having a vision, diversifying income, learning from failure, building a network, and staying consistent. If you want to learn more about each step and dive deeper into these strategies, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. Also, drop a comment below and let me know, what's the one thing that's holding you back from taking the first step towards your goal? Let's talk about it. And as always, thank you for watching. Stay focused, stay motivated, and I'll see you in the next video.